Even though Razer hasn't been making phones for a while, they're still kind of in the smartphone space when it comes to accessories. In particular, we're talking about gaming controllers. We've seen the Razer and the Junglecat, both of which being Bluetooth controllers. Well, at CES this year, we're looking at the Kishi, which is their first controller that you can plug directly into an Android or iPhone. So obviously the Kishi comes with a built-in USB-C or Lightning plug. What you do is you stretch the whole module out, and it comes with a kind of a stretchable belt at the back that lets you fit various phone sizes. In the case of Android phones, the Kishi will fit any recent Samsung and OnePlus phones, or even the Pixel 3a XL, which is what I have in my hand right now. On the iPhone side, it's good to go with iPhone 7 and beyond. I actually had a quick game on Gears 5 over Project X Cloud using this Kishi, and it feels great. You can expect the same kind of top quality build as other Razer hardware. The buttons are all very clicky, they feel great, likewise with the two sticks on the left and right, and you get 4 shoulder buttons in total here, so that should be plenty to go for your general gaming needs. Another very handy and important feature here is the pass-through charging at the bottom of this side, which is very important when you're playing long hours of gaming. You don't want to be running out of juice at the critical moments. In terms of response, there's surprisingly little lag, especially given that I was playing this on Project X Cloud over hotel Wi-Fi in Vegas. In terms of response, this is definitely much better than some of the Bluetooth controllers I've played with, and this is very important obviously when it comes to competitions or when you're really competitive playing other online gamers. Once you're done with gaming, simply unplug the phone, and then you just have to stick the two sides together, and on the back there's a cover that hides the cable, so you won't have to worry about breaking things. Razer hasn't announced the price for the Kishi yet, but we've been told that it should be similar to what you pay for the Junglecat, and this will be launching in the first quarter of 2020. For more news from CES, stay tuned on Engadget.com.